Hello there guys, and welcome to another video on the SEPA channel. Today's video is going to be a quick one. As you can see on the package, we have got some batteries. So we have showed you guys on the previous two videos, one with the Wolfang action camera and another one with the accessories for the Wolfang action camera, which by the way you will hear in the video always I'm saying Wolfgang, which I don't know why. So we got some extra batteries here, so we can actually film on the long run. So the batteries, it's actually battery pack. As you can see, Wolfang, the brand, and it does match quite a few type of Wolfang cameras. Let's see what we have inside. Let's see if we can quickly open this one. But based on my experience, we need to use the keys. Long time ago, the days when I was working in call center with phones and all that all the day, and now I'm still using that pin. So yeah, anyway. So let's see what we have inside. Beautiful. So inside, guys, we have the following. Yeah, we have one-piece battery, two-piece battery. So we have two batteries. Now keep in mind, the camera itself does come with two batteries. With an extra two batteries, you're gonna get a total of 4 batteries. That's a lot of juice, man. And this is the charger itself. Why this is so good, and I thought it might be a good idea to get it for literally just a couple of pounds, is because you can put them to charge. Obviously, you will be able to use a longer cable than this one. It does make sense. But then you'll be leaving these two batteries for charge. And the advantage is that you can go on the road, yeah, with 4 batteries. So what you will be seeing me now doing is the following. What I have done, I have taken what I need with me, okay, and I put them in here. The camera is here. As you can see, it's in the package as well. So when traveling, yeah, just put it in the pack always. And I will add this. You can see there is a battery already here, yeah. So what I will do, I will try and find a good spot for these other 2 batteries as well. Let's see if there is anywhere where I can kind of fit them properly. And I'll start carrying the batteries with me, because why not? And since I already have a cable like this, I don't think I need 2 of them. I'll just leave this one at home and I'll take the longer one with me. And it only makes sense. But now the question is, where am I going to fit all of this? I think I'll fit this here. I'll just adapt, right? I'll adapt to what I have. Or maybe I can put this here and I can put the batteries here. That might be a better idea. So it doesn't look that professional, but it does work. And this is gonna be technically my tool. I have the mic with me as well. I managed to fit it nicely here. And I'll put the charger, I think I'll put it here. That's all I need, guys. So I have the selfie stick, the tripod, remote. Obviously you can also connect it on the phone and start it whatever. I have the camera, I have everything. So that's that. I'll see you guys in the next video where we're going to actually test the camera. We're going to do a test drive POV with the Peugeot 508. See you guys.